Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please like and press the bell icon for new video updates. In this video, we are going to learn how to open a file on Photoshop, how to place a file, how to save it, and how to close it.
The more traditional way to open an image in Photoshop is by going to the File menu at the very top and clicking File, Open. This is to open an existing image. You can navigate to your image folder and you can double click on the image you want to open, or you can just click on it and open. You can open multiple many pictures. The Photoshop logo, and if you've worked on previous images or documents, you will see them here in Open Recent. You will see all the recent pictures you've worked previously. We can see the tabs along the top, all the documents that are opened here. Photoshop let us work on one image at a time, but we can have as many open images as we need. To switch between images, you can just click on the tab. So each of the picture opened individually in its own is open in its own tab. If you want to open a picture, two picture in one tab, for example, I want to add the Photoshop logo to this picture here. We can go to File, we go to Place. I can open this picture, Place, and now it is placed here in this image. I can resize it and I can move it the way I want. And click Enter. If I want to save this picture, I go to File. If I want to save it as a JPEG format or PNG format, Save As. I rename it Thumbnail 1, and I choose the type of the file. For example, I want it to be a PNG file. Save. PNG format options. The file size. It could be a large size, a medium size, and a smallest file size. Okay, I want to choose the medium file size. Now to close an image, we can go to File, we go to Close, Now they are asking me if I want to save it as a Photoshop document to edit again. I want to click yes. Thumbnail 1. And the type of the file is Photoshop PSD. Save. Okay. And for closing the other pictures we already opened, file, close. And if we want to close all the images, file, at one time, file, close all. But the fastest way is by clicking on the icon here, the exit icon, and we can click file, close all. Now all the pictures are closed. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.